Hi, today's topic is multiple intelligences, using this concept for team building in work, community, and home. I'm Linda Lee Ratto, and for years I have worked with Howard Gardner's terminology called multiple intelligences. You can download a list of the 7 intelligences that Dr. Gardner has worked in for decades now through Harvard University and Project Zero by going to my website, lindaleeratto.com, where I have a state-certified workshop on the topic. Today, multiple intelligences can be used very easily and practically in your workplace, for example, to build a stronger team and to actually explain what might be lacking in a project goal or a mission that you're currently working on. So you don't have to have the list in front of you to actually work in the idea that everyone is gifted in many ways. Long gone is the idea that one IQ test tells us that somebody is smarter than another. Dr. Gardner's research on that has proven that, and this information has gone into the education system, but often is not translated to the workplace or community service projects, team building even in your family and at home. So let's start with an activity that can really boost your project at work. I'm asking you to do this. You can do it whether you're listening at home or at work right now by jotting down the top 5 skills or strengths or intelligences that you possess. That's activity A. Activity B, now jot down 5 or more, if you want to, of your lesser strengths, what you find that you are lacking in, or you're not as strong as the 5 that you mentioned, jotted down first. And then activity C is to do this actual activity with your teammates. And you do it whether you're a project leader or a teammate. Suggest for 10 minutes that you sit together as a team and enumerate quietly the 5 top skills and the 5 lesser strengths that each of you have. Then take that information and share it for 10 minutes. You would be surprised how enlightening that can be. To further enhance this activity, go around the circle again and have each person look at each other and mention a strength that wasn't listed. Very often people can view that you as a coworker have a strength that you might not actually recognize that someone else really values. So now take this information and reiterate in a business meeting the project you're working on now, but bring the strengths of each of the persons into what roles someone is playing in the project to complete the project. You would be quite amazed at how you can boost productivity by understanding how the teammates that you're working with can work and weave their skills in with yours to make a highly functional and practical team. I hope you'll try this activity with the various phases at home first with you, so you kind of know yourself as you present this activity at work. And then go ahead and try it with a couple of different projects, especially ones you're just about to do for the new year. And line up the roles with the self-identified strengths of each of your team members. And I think that this year may fly into high productivity for you and your team. Thanks for joining me. And again, I do customized workshops and team building in the workplace. You can email me at ratto@mindspring.com, MIND as in David, spring.com. And I thank the Building Strength webinar series for this opportunity to bring a bit of intelligence into your life. Thank you.